Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel New Religion for your personal and your business growth based on religious values. In this video, I will answer the following question. Are private jets a good investment? Well, one of the primary considerations when evaluating private jet ownership is the initial cost. Purchasing a private jet involves a substantial upfront investment, which varies depending on the make and model of the aircraft. However, it's crucial to view this investment in the context of your long-term travel needs. While the upfront cost can be significant, it's essential to assess the potential savings and benefits over time. For frequent travelers, the reduced expenses associated with chartering or fractional ownership might make a private jet a cost-effective choice. Private jet owners must consider operational costs, including maintenance, fuel, insurance, and crew salaries. However, these costs can be partially offset by tax advantages available to private jet owners in certain jurisdictions. Another economic factor to consider is the time-saving aspect of private jet ownership. With no commercial airport hassles, security lines, or delays, private jet owners can optimize their schedules and maximize productivity. For those looking to offset ownership costs, chartering their private jet when not in use can be a lucrative option. The private jet charter market is growing, allowing owners to generate income while retaining control over their aircraft.